Here with this little tail and now he's not waking.
Just got done feeding, now he's got hiccups.
This one's kind of going around in circles.
I know he's wagging his tail. There's two things going on right now. I'm trying to catch them both.
No, he's laying there.
Yeah, I know. He was so feisty. He just fed real quick, and now he got his magic potion. Now he's got the hiccups.